lightest tug. Thank you.
I'm working with hair that's already been chemically processed, damaged from the chemicals, over-processed, and maybe even the flat irons. This product is good for that. We're going to start at her nape area. Takes very little. If you get too much, it's not as effective. You wouldn't want the white film to be showing. Well, sometimes to use other applications that I've used prior, it takes more than one application. I've never seen it really instantly work and be as effective as I've seen today. But with this, you're evenly distributing it out through wet hair, so that's very easy to do this, to apply it. It will be very easily applied at home or routinely done at your salon by your stylist, but it would be very easily to distribute onto the wet hair because it takes very little application by sectioned off just to be more manageable, but for each section it's very easy to apply it. Yes, my client asked could she perfectly do this at home. She could, but what I suggest is until the hair get strengthened back up perfectly healthy, and then she can maintain it as often as is necessary, every week, every 2 weeks, and then it could get as less as once a month, even if it's down to like the flat irons or whatever maintenance she's doing on her hair. This will help it.
Okay, good.
Now we're getting ready to put her under the dryer for a processing time of 10 minutes. We have evenly distributed the product all the way through each strand. So now we're ready for the dryer. Now that we've processed it for 10 minutes, we're going to put her back up on a cool dryer to close the cuticle. Now we're going to rinse the hair thoroughly. Now we're getting ready to check her strand.
That's awesome.
It's got better elasticity. Tried her hair, blow dried her hair. I want to check the strands in the top again, and it's actually stronger than it was before because it was just pulling right out. It repaired that hair instantly, and I could tell she'd be a candidate of another treatment. This is your finished product.
Yay, that looks pretty.
Looks good. The shine is good. It's not too heavy. Looks very nice. Feels good. Feels soft.